Good morning, students. This is for class 1 and the subject is computer. Last class we have completed half of the chapter 1. It is your computer, a machine. We have completed the topics, what are the benefits and what are the uses of computer in our life. Okay, so next we will start from page number 4. It is in your book. If you open your book, then you can see page number 4 and different types of computer we have to start today, and I will try to complete the chapter in this video. Okay, first one we have to learn about the types of computer. Types of computer. The first type of computer, it is desktop. Desktop. In desktop, if you remember that in your school computer lab, when you go to the computer lab in your school, then you can see a desktop computer there. In desktop computer, which is the computer which is placed on a table on a table with different parts, with several parts of computer, and all parts are connected together with the help of CPU. So if you look at in your book, then you can see the picture is given here. The computer which is kept on the table with its several parts, and all parts are connected with CPU with different wires. So it is called a desktop computer. In this desktop computer, you can see the different parts of computer one by one. First one is monitor. It is monitor. Then the next part you can see the mouse. The another part you can see the CPU. The next one keyboard. Then the next one is UPS. Okay. The another one speaker. Then you can also see the printer, scanner. All these are the different parts, several parts of a computer which are connected with each other with different wires in CPU. It is called a desktop. The another type of a computer, it is laptop. First one is desktop and the second one is laptop. A laptop is a smaller computer. It can be kept on your lap. Okay, and it has inbuilt keyboard. Laptop is having inbuilt keyboard, then the mouse, CPU, everything it is inbuilt inside the laptop. And so we can say it is a small form of a computer. Then you can see in your book in page number 5, laptop is given. Only screen you can see and all things you can see inside it. The keyboard, the UPS, the speaker, the mouse, all things are there. Okay, the next type of computer is, it is tablet. Tablet are the smaller computers which are very handy and help us to compute, make calls and send messages like a smartphone. Nowadays tablets, all of you aware with this word tablet. Tablet is also used for computing, means It does all the works of computer, and it is also used for sending or receiving messages, sending the calls, talking with each other. Tablet is also used. It is also having the inbuilt keypad, camera, everything is inside the tablet. So only these three types of computer you have to learn. Once again I repeat, the first one is desktop. Desktop, it is a type of computer where the computer is kept on a table, and with its several parts, several devices, just like a monitor. If you see the monitor, it is kept on the table. Next one is mouse, then the CPU, keyboard, UPS, speaker, printer, and scanner. These are the several parts of a computer which is kept on a table, that is combinedly called a desktop. Okay, the next type of computer is laptop. It is a small type of computer. It is a small form of a desktop computer, and everything, the monitor, the mouse, the keyboard, CPU, UPS, speaker, everything is inbuilt. Laptop is having inbuilt keyboard, inbuilt mouse, inbuilt CPU, inbuilt UPS, inbuilt speaker, everything inside it. And this type of computer you can do the work by keeping it on your lap. That's why it is called a laptop. The next type of computer is tablet. Tablet is smaller than a laptop, and it is also having inbuilt keyboard, mouse, everything, and it is also used for sending or receiving messages, doing the calls, receiving the calls. All these works we can do with the help of laptop. So these are the different three types of computers you have to learn. The first one, again I will start, the desktop, then the laptop, then the tablet. Okay, now again this is the end, last topic of this chapter. Again I'm going to revise the chapter from the beginning. If you turn your book from first page, this is your page number 1. In this page you can see you have to learn about the man-made things and the natural things, natural objects and man-made objects. The objects which are made by the God, that is called natural objects, and the objects which are made by the people or the human being are called the man-made objects. So I have told you, or I have explained you the man-made objects and the natural objects. Different things we can take the name. If we talk about the man-made objects, then you can say the pencil, the table, the chair, the books, the copies. All these things are come under the man-made objects. And if we talk about the natural objects, you can take the name of river, the clouds, the sun, the plants, the trees. All these things you can take under the natural objects. Then in the next topic we have learned about the important things, or essence, the different type of necessity or the different works of computer. One by one I am going to explain it. Computer is very fast in doing the large calculation. We can do the calculation with the help of computer. Then the next one is, it is useful for storing a large information. It is always accurate. Computer cannot do any mistake. It is always correct. Then the next thing you can see, it neither gets disturbed nor gets tired. Computer cannot get tired or disturbed by doing the same thing again and again. Then the next, if you can see that it helps to do the different type of works, like it can play music, it can play games, it can helpful in doing the drawing, then sending the messages, receiving the messages. All these things we can do with the help of computer. Then the next thing is, computer cannot get bored by doing the same work again and again. So these are the most important things, or these are the specific characteristics of the computer. Then in next topic today I have I have taught you that it is the different types of computer. Three types I have explained you. The first one is desktop. In this desktop, the computer is kept on a table with its several parts. The second one is laptop. In this type of computer, it is a small type of computer, and it is having inbuilt mouse, keyboard, CPU, speaker, everything, and you can do the work with the help of laptop or by keeping it on your lap. Then the third type of computer is tablet. It is a smaller form of laptop, and it is also used for computing. It is also used for doing the calls, sending or receiving the messages. All these things we can do with the help of tablets. So this is all about your lesson number 1.